If you're looking to start selling on Amazon, this is the best first video to start with because I've done over $6 million in sales on Amazon. And if you're new to the channel, my name is Travis, and make sure to smash the like button because in this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step process that you can use to start making money selling products on Amazon. And the first step is to go to sell.amazon.com and sign up for a seller account. Now there are two options when signing up for a seller account. You can either do the individual plan, which is free, but you're going to have to pay 99 cents for every item you sell, or you can do the professional selling plan, which does cost $39.99 a month, but you can sell unlimited products without any extra fees. I recommend for most people to sign up for the professional plan, and keep in mind they will charge you for the first month that you sign up, but they're not going to charge you again until you actually start selling your product. And signing up is easy. You just click on the sign up button and they're going to ask you some questions. You fill out all this information and you'll be set up with your Amazon seller account. The next step is to figure out what product you're going to be selling on Amazon. And there is a tool called Helium 10 that I highly recommend because it's going to help you to find a product to sell on Amazon. There is a link down below in the description to sign up for a free plan with Helium 10, or if you want to pay a little bit more to unlock all the features, I have the hookup with Helium 10. There is a discount code when you click on the link down below in the description. And the secret to making money on Amazon is to understand that Amazon is just a search engine. People go to Amazon to search for things that they want to buy. And if you can figure out what people are searching for, you can sell them that exact product. And that is what this tool Helium 10 does. You click on tools and then click on the magnet tool and start by typing in something that you're interested. For instance, recently I was looking at doing the carnivore diet, so I typed in carnivore diet. And we can see that over 9,000 people per month are searching for carnivore diet, which means if there's a lot of people searching for something, you can sell them a product that fits that search result. And what I recommend you do is scroll down to the bottom here and click on this magnet IQ score. And this is a metric of how good of an opportunity Helium 10 thinks that a product is. The higher the number, the better. And the next step is to scroll through this list and try to find a product that you want to sell on Amazon. Now, the key here is you want to find a product that has a lot of search volume, and the search volume is in this column over here, but does not have any product existing on Amazon. And when I was scrolling through this list, I found an idea for a product called carnivore electrolytes. And I saw that over 500 people per month were searching for carnivore electrolytes, but when I searched for that in Amazon, there was no product that existed. So we have our product idea, and the next step is to find a manufacturer for this product. And you can go to websites like Alibaba.com to find manufacturers. And this website will connect you with a manufacturer overseas in places like China or really anywhere in the world. And let's type in here electrolytes, because we're going to be selling an electrolytes powder. And we can see there is a ton of different manufacturers of electrolyte products. Now the problem is, since this is a consumable product, I don't want to get this manufactured in China. I want to get it made in the United States. And you can go to websites like Thomasnet.com, and this is a database of US-based manufacturers. Type in what you're looking for, and it will give you a list of manufacturers that can make that exact product. And your manufacturer will help you to get your product shipped from their warehouse into the Amazon FBA warehouse. Or if they don't, there's a lot of services that will handle all of this for you. But before you do that, you're going to want to create a listing on Amazon's website. And this is extremely easy to do. All you have to do is go into your Seller Central account and click Add a New Product and follow a simple template. You're gonna have to add a title for what you want your product's title to be. You're gonna add a main image, a bunch of side images, some bullet points, and a description. And from there, the last step is to launch your product. And this is a crucial step that a lot of people skip over. When selling on Amazon, the goal is to get to the top of the search results because, as I mentioned, Amazon is a search engine. People go to Amazon to search for things that they wanna buy. And they're most likely to buy the products at the top of the search results. In fact, it's exponential. People are way more likely to buy the number one product, followed by number 2, 3, 4, 5. And if you're on page 2, you're pretty much not going to get any sales. And the secret to getting to the top of the search results is to get as many sales as possible from day one. If you get a lot of sales, Amazon's going to see that you have a winning product and put your product higher up in the search results, which is going to lead to more sales and ultimately going to create a snowball effect where you get more and more sales as your product goes higher and higher up the search results. And I have a free 8-hour Amazon FBA course that goes into way more detail on how you can actually sell on Amazon. I'll put a link to that video down here and in the description. It's completely free. All you have to do is click on the video. It'll take you to another YouTube video, and then you can watch this entire free 8-hour Amazon FBA course. So click on that video. I'll see you in the next video, and thanks for watching.